What's up, everybody? This is going to be a really quick video. I'm explaining how to install this 034 Motorsport RS4 style Y-pipe on my C5 Allroad with the 2.7. As you can see, we got the old Y-pipe off. The things that you're going to need, aside from just this Y-pipe, even though it says that it's just a direct bolt-on installation, it mentions online that you need the mounting equipment. So that's going to be these 3 rubber things with a pin underneath that you can get out of these spots on your old Y-pipe. You should just be able to pull them out. Just be careful not to rip it. You're also going to need the RS4 style lobster claws. Probably would work best with the RS4 style turbo inlet pipes too, but it will fit and you can clamp it down tight enough with the hose clamp. That should be good as long as you get these upgraded RS4 style lobster claws. These were like stuck on, the old lobster claws were stuck on to this pipe with like gasket maker of some kind before. But it's pretty easy to just pry that off and throw these on there if you want to try to do that. These are going to fit into your diverter valves just fine. You are not going to be able to use your stock MAF hose, so you'll need an upgraded RS4 silicone MAF hose to go into this end of the Y-pipe. And then, of course, also this PCV valve, check valve, pancake valve, whatever you want to call it. This plastic piece is definitely keeping or restricting access from this, and it's not the same size. So solutions that I've thought of at first were to cut off this old piece of the old lobster claw, break off or cut off this plastic part and fit it over, and then use a hose clamp. I think what I actually might do is just taper off this blue hose into this since it's a bigger size. Throw the end of the blue hose onto the pancake valve after I cut off this plastic piece and get access. Hose clamp it on there. Hose clamp that to this, or just taper this out somehow. And then fit this end over there and hose clamp it because it fits pretty close. Now, this is just drawing vacuum, so as long as that's sealed well, then there shouldn't really be an issue as far as that goes. These ends do fit in pretty good. All these spots to mount line up with the spots on the intake manifold. And so at this point, I'm just waiting on this silicone MAF hose in order to be able to install it. Also ordered a new one of those because that's looking pretty gnarly, and we want it to be pretty good looking after all the work under these valve covers that's been done recently by me. So what I'll probably do is just cut this hose, try to taper it, get it onto the pancake valve, and then I'll post a video of that later. And as soon as we get this RS4 silicone hose for the MAF, Y-pipe to MAF housing, then we will, I'll make a video of it all getting put on there. So if you guys have ordered this part and you've tried to fit it up or just wondering what other things you need, that's pretty much it. You need the Y-pipe, you need the upgraded RS4 silicone or 2.7 big bore turbo inlet to lobster claws. You're going to need the RS4 MAF, and then you could get a tapered hose from 034, but I mean, I'm going to try this out and see if it works, and not really see sense in spending the money if I can't make it work like this. So we'll check back later. like and subscribe if you want to see the progress on this car in the near future. Thanks.